Hello guys, welcome to our channel Study Lovers. My name is Hardik Yadav and I am back with another exciting video. As you know, yesterday we have started the topic tense and I have tell you about different types of tense. So now we will study in detail about present indefinite tense, the first tense. First thing, how to recognize it means उसकी पहचान कैसे करें. सो सी हेयर द एंड ऑफ ई सेंटेंस एंड इन लास्ट ता है, ती है, ते है, etc आर देयर मीन्स एक सेंटेंस के लास्ट में जब ये तीन वर्ड आते हैं तो उसे प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं घर जाता हूँ, सी एयर इट्स ता. सो इट इज़ प्रेजेंट डेफिनेट टेंस. इंग्लिश, आई गो होम. ओके गाइज, सो इन दिस वी यूज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब मीन्स सहायक क्रिया डज और डू. डज फॉर सिंगुलर, डू फॉर प्लूरल. Another important thing, there are three types by which we form present indefinite tense. Number first, affirmative positive sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, question form. Means affirmative positive sentences means simple sentences. Negative sentences are those in which not are there. Interrogative sentences are question form. Okay guys, now we will study in detail about affirmative positive sentences. Note, in affirmative positive sentences we will not use helping verb. Instead of helping verb we use s or es. affirmative positive sentences में हम helping verb means do or does का प्रयोग नहीं करेंगे, उसकी जगह एस और ई एस का प्रयोग करेंगे. वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग, सिंगुलर ही, शी, इट, नेम ऑफ अ बॉय और गर्ल वी यूज एस और ई एस. प्लूरल वी, यू, दे, आई वी डोंट यूज एस और ई एस. सिंगुलर वी यूज एस और ई एस. प्लूरल वी डोंट यूज एस और ई एस. नाउ वी विल सी द रूल to make affirmative positive sentences. There are two ways. For singular, subject plus verb plus s or es plus object plus other word. For plural, subject plus verb plus object plus other word. Now we will see some example, then you will clear all your doubt. Let's take this as so. To make it in English, follow the singular rule. Here Ram is a single. Ram goes to his house. This is the English. Let's take another example of this. माता जी रामायण पढ़ती हैं. Mother reads the रामायण. Okay guys. For plural example, वे गंगा जी में स्नान करते हैं. दे बाथ इन द गंगा. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, तुम क्रिकेट खेलते हो. यू प्ले क्रिकेट. इट इज सो सिंपल गाइस. एंड वन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग आई फॉरगेट टू टेल यू दैट व्हेन द वर्ड अपने come in the question we have to translate according to subject. Here you see that apne word has come. Now we will see how to translate it according to object. If I means main is there, so the English is my. He वह his. She वह her. You तुम your. Means if the question in Hindi written tum means you have to write in English your. We हम are. They वे their. Boy Boy means let's take the name of Ram. So we use his. Girl, Sita, her. Singular, if they are one person or thing, we use his, or more than one, plural, we use their. Here you see that Ram is the subject. So Ram is a boy. So here is a boy. What we have to write in English? His. So here we write his. Now you understand? Okay. Okay guys. Now the next type of present definite tense come is negative sentence. How to make present indefinite tense in negative sentence? Note, in this we use helping verb do or does, as you know. Rule: subject plus helping verb plus not plus verb plus object plus other word. Example for more understanding. For example, वे अस्पताल नहीं जाते हैं. So here is the subject is वे. So we write they. Then helping verb for plural we write do. Then not, then verb go to hospital. Next example. तुम अपना पाठ याद नहीं करते हो. You do not learn your lesson. Now the third type of present definite tense come is interrogative sentences. And one thing I tell you that these three types are in all 12 types of sentences. Means they are in present, past and future in all the four forms. So if you understand here, then it will become easy you to learn the next tenses. So now we will see interrogative sentences. They are of also two types. First is क्या से आरंभ होने वाले वाक्य. Second is WH type question. फर्स्ट टाइप क्या से आरंभ होने वाले वाक्य. What is the rule in this? Helping verb plus subject means subject is replaced by a helping verb, then not, then verb, then object plus other word. Now take us example of this one. For example, क्या तुम अब सोते हो? What is the helping verb we use here? You is a plural, so we write do you. Sleep is a verb now. अब is written as now in English. क्या चपरासी घंटी नहीं बजाता है? Does the peon does not ring the bell? Now the second type, WH type questions, means second type of interrogative sentences. What is the rule here? Question word plus helping verb plus subject plus not plus verb plus object plus other word. Means, and one thing I tell you that here you see not is coming. Not is conditional. If the question are in negative form, then we use not, otherwise we don't use not. Here the question is in simple form, so we don't use not. For example of this, वह कहाँ सोते हैं? Here you see that question word means this type. So where helping word does, subject he and verb sleep. Okay guys, let's take one more example. वह आज गीत क्यों नहीं गाती है? Here the negative form has come, so we use not. Why does she not sing the song today? Okay guys, you will see we have to translate this word in English. So here I write this word in English which will help you in doing the question. So what is the English of क्या? Is what. कैसे? how. कौन सा? which. क्यों? why. कौन? who. किसको? whom. किसका? whose. कब? when. Okay guys. Now we will see how to use this tense in English sentence. Let's take one example. Hari dash meet Yahan and Asha also dash meet, but their parents don't. We have to use it. So see the question carefully. There is no not in questions or it is not in interrogative form. So we don't use helping verb. So it in simple present means simple sentence we use s or es. Here is the subject singular, so we use eats. And here Yahan and Asha, there is two person, so the subject become plural, so we use eat only, because in plural we don't use s or es. Let's take one more example. Ira does her work sincerely, but the twins are naughty and does not dash any work. So we have to use do. So see here. Here is Ira. Ira is one person. So we don't use do, we use does. And here is twins, means the subject become plural. So we use do and do. Okay guys, here you see there is a simple sentence. So this is the homework for you. You have to solve these 15 question in English, and when you solve it, please write the answer in the comment section. If the answer is correct, I tell you. If the correct, then also I tell you. Here is the negative ones. Please see. First, there are more example of negative sentence. Then there is interrogative sentences. Some example. If you do this example, I will guarantee you, you will be able to do tenses very easily. So thank you guys for this video. If you like this video, please tell me in the comment section, and also tell where I have to improve in the video. And next video is of present continuous tense. So be ready for it. Thank you guys.